Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are back in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, kind of like Center Strip, I guess. We're going to visit Planet Hollywood Hotel and Casino today. Planet Hollywood Hotel and Casino also attached to the Miracle Mile Mall, which will be a separate video here on the New York channel. But the Miracle Mile Mall is to undergo a multi-million-dollar facelift, so it'll be interesting to see what this place looks like in a couple months from now. Included in that facelift is tons of huge LED screens because, well, the Las Vegas Strip just needs some more LED screens, I guess. Remember the good old days of neon? Maybe you don't. Anyway, as you can see, I've already made it downstairs at the Planet Hollywood Hotel and Casino. This is the main registration area, as well as where Uber and Lyft and taxi cabs pick you up and drop you off. There's also a gift shop down here and one of those Criss Angel motorcycles. There's lots of them throughout this complex, and I'll be showing you most of them as we walk along. But let's check out the Planet Hollywood Hotel and Casino and see if anything has changed recently, shall we? This is the Heart Bar here at Planet Hollywood in Las Vegas, and the Heart Bar encompasses all elements of a hot Las Vegas party, from live DJ spun music to multiple flat screen TVs playing the latest hits. You can easily spend hours here. I personally didn't spend hours. I spent about 5 minutes looking for Ann and Nancy Wilson. I didn't see them and I didn't hear any Heart music, so I left. This is Earl of Sandwich. This is like a must-go-to lots of people who come here in Vegas, and I've never been there, so my next visit I will definitely check out the sandwiches here at Earl of Sandwich. But from what I understand, there is nothing that really compares to it as far as sandwiches are concerned here in town.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
This is Yolo's, a modern tribute to Mexican culture. At Yolo's, it's a modern twist on the Mexican fiesta. This is P.F. Chang's. Experience fresh, contemporary, and inventive cuisine at P.F. Chang's China Bistro. If you've never heard of P.F. Chang's, I don't know where you've been. They're pretty much everywhere. Let's check out the mezzanine level, or as they call it here, the Mez level. This escalator, by the way, hold on tight, kind of reminds me of the long escalator at Bally's in Atlantic City. Upstairs is some more restaurants, as well as Criss Angel's Mind Freak showroom. Well, check it out right now. Hey you, are you enjoying this video? I'm hoping you are, and if you are, why not hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up? As I've always said, it does help the channel out, and quite frankly, it motivates me and gets me out of bed in the morning. And I always said the best way to start the day is getting out of bed, so why not subscribe? Ooh, it looks like a little Criss Angel staff meeting. Let's see if we can listen in.
Okay, you distract the audience with that white hot spotlight, and then you adjust Criss Angel's wig while the audience is distracted, and you bring that motorcycle on and go vroom, vroom, vroom as loud as you can so the audience thinks it's a real motorcycle.
Two of the restaurants here on the mezzanine level are Strip House, obviously a steakhouse, as well as Koi, a Japanese restaurant. Well folks, there's no denying the fact that I just made a huge mistake with the editing of this video, so I'm entitled to mistakes once in a while. Yep, even Jeff from New York makes mistakes. I realized halfway through this video editing process that half of the beginning of the video was on the editing floor, and I'm gonna insert it now because, well, I can. It's my channel. Now I could go back and fix it, and that would take hours, and it's the weekend. I have a wedding tomorrow. It's 2 o'clock in the morning right now, so I'm just gonna insert this video, the beginning part of the video, in the middle of the video because, well, I can again. It's my channel. That being said, don't give the video a thumbs down, give it a thumbs up for my honesty, okay? This is Gordon Ramsay Burger, the best burger, or gourmet burger I should say, on the Las Vegas Strip. I love this place, but the lines are getting longer and longer and longer. Perhaps I should stop talking about it. Now, what is this? I really don't know. I have totally screwed this video up, and hey, I brought you guys along for the ride. This has actually turned into an editing train wreck, and you can't keep your eyes off of it at this point, can you? Wait, let me see if I can make it even more nonsensical. Okay, now I'm just having fun here.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
So listen guys, all kidding aside, this video became a train wreck at the end, and I realized that, and it was either this or no video Monday morning, and I decided to put this up. And again, I have a wedding tomorrow. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. Apparently I need 3 people to help me fasten that cummerbund in the morning, so that's an issue as well. My apologies to Caesars Entertainment and to any of you who were looking for a legitimate Las Vegas Planet Hollywood Hotel and Casino video. I promise you I will re-edit this video and make it perfect just like all my other videos, right people? They're all perfect, right? Yep. Anyway, thank you for your understanding. It's getting late. I do have a wedding tomorrow. I need to also lose about 25 pounds in 6 hours. If anyone knows how to do that, please leave a comment below. I do promise you a proper video starting Tuesday once again. Thanks guys. Have a great day. Dare I even play this outro?
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.